Good to live in life natural and for Tribe Gardens. Remember, it's all about our soil. We've really got to put a lot into our soil. This is just my table around here with my soil mix, but I've got I've got compost, I've got peat, I've got regular substrata, and these I'm using and mixing in all the time. Mixing it all the time. And then my leftover pots from plants prior. So I mix that in. Very important. Mix these things in. Our soil, it's all about soil regeneration. We've got to make sure that we've got a good loam. Yep. So I mix it in. This is just really potting. I'm going to give it a go. So trying to show you how this bed, I've just taken courgettes out and I'm just checking through. There's a big stone in there somewhere. Get rid of that for sure. Get rid of any big stones. So to put nitrogen back into the soil, so I'm going to plant in beans. So, we don't want all of the sticks. That's all compost. Piece of that. That's becoming useful, so we'll collect the manure from places. So really it's a topsoil I'm creating. So a couple of shovels. So there you go, you see what we call the secret ingredient. Got worm castings. Bag there, so I'll just mix that all over. Put this in, break all this down. Break it all down. Break this all down. And the secret ingredient. I'm going to dig in. Okay. Taking a little video of the bed because I didn't finish it off properly, so you'll see. So I think I've said already it's about a foot deep and it goes into a ditch at the end there. We've got a tree on the edge here, so eventually that will be giving some shade. And I think I'm going to be planting swede in here, swede and or turnips. That's love. So yeah, new bed. It's looking cloudy now. Yeah, I'm liking how things are looking now. Really am. And it's about the soil. After going round, it's really important to be working your soil, weeding, watering regularly. Look, I'm flooding this as much as I'm watering down there. I'm still flooding here. I've watered here earlier today when I first started watering and it's already dry. So it shows how quick. Yeah, looking good. Here to live in. Life Natural Food Forest, Top Terrace, October 27th, 28th, 2022. Money day, they say.